So today is Wednesday. Last Monday I show you some office going sarees, and last Tuesday I showed you some bridal collection. Many of people likes it very much. So I have a special plan for today. Today I am showing very much lovable product is our Tasar sarees. Today I am Mandira Bhadra from Nakshikatha, Kolkata. My phone number is 98308-14772 and my WhatsApp number is 96746848899. Today this is the setting now. It is 12:30, so let me start. So I also wear a Tasar sari. This is a Tasar sari, Tasar printed sari. Printed, and this part has a painting also. So mix up Tasar printed and painting sari. So Gachi Tasar. It has its own blouse. Tasar blouse. But today I wear it with the kalamkari kantha blouse. Looks nice with the bright kalamkari kantha blouse. You can get it in my store. Today I will show you some today. Firstly, I am telling you our payment mode. My payment mode is either COD or by bank transfer. You pay my WhatsApp number, then I will send you and share all the bank details with you, or you share me your address, phone number simultaneously. Okay, to find you. The first sari I want to show you a Tasar sari. Okay, this is my Tasar sari. If you want to like to have this sari, you just order me. I will make for you. And the color, it is a color variation also, red and grey color, this brown color. I usually make this sari in bright colors like this. Let me show you some Tasar. Today I like to show you some Tasar block sarees. Okay, this is also Gachi Tasar. गाची तसर का अवेलेबिलिटी अब बहुत कम हो गया, इसलिए थोड़ा बहुत दिखाना पड़ता है. बिकॉज माय ऑल द क्लाइंट्स ये चाहते हैं कि मैं गाची तसर का कुछ साड़ी दिखाए. This is the achal or pallu part of the sari. We blocked it in Rajasthan. Their block work is very nice. And they have a traditional block. They have their own traditional block. Can you hear me properly? Please tell me whether you can hear me or not. This is the pallu part of this is the block is different. This block is different. This brown, it has also two brown colors. One yellowish brown and one is chocolate brown. The picture is, I think, clear. This is the pallu part of the sari. And this is the body part of the full block. See the block? This is the traditional Bagru block. And it has a very nice block border also. It has no black, little black, no black. In the sense I am telling you no black, this is no, the border is black. The border of the printing is black. Otherwise they can't block it properly. This is the, look, this is the border. This is the border and this is the block of the I'm showing you I'm trying to show you. This is the traditional block of Rajasthan. This is the front part of the sari. This is the front part of the sari, and if this is the front part of the look. This is the front part, and it's very smart looking. If office wears can wear it, or if you want to go somewhere else, you can also wear it. Times 1. Actually, my taste is for ethnic. This is the ethnic taste. This is the front part of the sari. I am showing the pleated part also. Okay, pleated part भी मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ आप लोगों को. धीरे धीरे मैं दिखाऊंगी पूरा साड़ी खोल के. From first January to 1st February is our Silk and Tassar Utsav in our boutique. That is in Calcutta, Sagoria, South Calcutta, and you can find your whatever you like to take from me, you will find there, and will give flat 10% discount on that of exhibition. So you can prior book it now. You can prior book it now. I will keep it for you, and you can take it. Now this is the blouse part of the. This is original tassar color. This is original tassar color. This is the border of the blouse piece. Okay. This is the kuchi part of the sari. You can gift it, and you can, of course, you can also wear it. This is very smart looking sari. It's very smart looking sari. I'm showing a blouse, ready-made blouse option with it. As I wear a kalamkari blouse with my tassar, so I'm showing a option. This is optional. If you want, you can book it. I choose this blouse. As the blouse sari has no red and no red, that's why I also like this blouse for this sari. This is the Ajrak block. This is the Ajrak block, traditional hand Ajrak block. This is also we got from Rajasthan, Barmer, and one from Kutch. This is from Barmer. This is from Barmer. Hand block and a ready-made blouse. Look nice with this sari. Either you make that tassar blouse, or you can take this from me. I'm showing you the blouse in details. This is a cotton Ajrak print blouse, fully lined, very comfortable. In winter days, it is very comfortable. It has a glass sleeves. It has a glass sleeve. 11 inches length. Length is 11 inches, and boat neck from. This is a boat neck. From back neck is boat neck. Back neck is boat neck. Look my blouse. This is also a boat neck blouse. So you can. This is also a boat neck blouse. Round and front neck is V neck. Little V neck. So you can wear the necklace or whatever you want to. You can wear in a show. आप पहन सकते हैं, नेकलेस पहनने चाहते हो तो पहन सकते हैं इस कट के साथ. And the length of the blouse, and one blouse I am detailing. This length is 15. This length is 15 inches. This length is 15 inches. This sleeves, less of glass sleeves or elbow sleeves length is 11 inches. And this is the lower part of the blouse. It is a long one. It is inches in measurement. It is 40 inches in measurement. 40 inches. Finally, and this is the disturbance. Again I am describing it. This is 40 inches in length, and this is the underarm to underarm sizes 46, underarm to underarm sizes 46, fully lined, cotton linings inside that blouse, and the size of the undergarment size 36 is perfect for this blouse. If you have the size other than that, then you have to adjust it with it. Okay. It has a extra material inside the blouse. I'm showing, one blouse I'm detailing. This is the extra material inside the blouse. So if your size is more than 36, 38, 30, 40, then you can adjust it. Unstitching the stitch, and this otherwise if your size is 34 and 34, then you have to make a stitch on it. This is the detailing. So this is a very nice Ajrak block print blouse. The price of the blouse is 750 rupees. 750 rupees. You can PhonePe, GPay, bank transfer, and the COD option is there. Shari. So today I'm showing another tassel block saree. Okay, another tassel block. This is the color of the tassel block is not the blue but purplish blue. Here I am trying to show you some traditional ethnic taste saree. And this is the border of the saree. This is the border pallu part of the saree, and this is the border of the saree. This is the border. This is the border. Look, this is the border, and this is the print, all over printed, all over same printed saree. This is traditional. This is a traditional one, and this is the I'm showing you. This is the aanchal or a pallu part hai. A pallu part hai shari ka. Looks so nice with the brown blouse also. Looks so nice with the brown blouse also. This is the aanchal part of the saree. Prashangoto bole, we shipped globally, and in India you have to pay by cash, COD option, or by bank payment, and just bring us in our WhatsApp number, that is 9674684899 number. Okay, this is the front part of the saree. If you want to go some flower show, some cinema, anywhere you can wear it. So nice in a small party, বাড়িতে কিছু উৎসব হচ্ছে তখন পড়ুন, অফিসে যান, টিচাররাও স্কুলে কলেজে পড়তে পারেন। এই শাড়িগুলো ভীষণ ট্র্যাডিশনাল, তো বেশি সাজগোজের দরকার হয় না, সেজন্য এটা হচ্ছে পুরো শাড়িটাই এরকম, পুরো শাড়িটাই আমরা এরকম করে বানাচ্ছি। The whole saree is same. I'm showing you this is the front and the kuchi part of the saree. This is the whole look of the saree. Take us, of course you must take the screenshot. Must take the screenshot to book it. Okay. Otherwise it's difficult for me to understand what you really want. Every day I'm showing so many sarees, so you have to take the screenshot and tell me. Okay, screenshot लेके book करना, वो screenshot मुझे भेजिए, फिर से भेजिए, so I can, my समझ सकती हो कि आपको कौन सा पीस चाहिए. And this is the achal part, this is the front part, and this is the kuchi part of the blouse. The sari, tasar sari, gachi tasar, 100% gachi tasar. Every gachi tasar printed sari is 7450 now. You will get some discount on my Tasar Utsav. Please contact me that time in Tasar Utsav. And this is the blouse piece. For Tasar Utsav, this is flat 7,000. Okay. Discuss the price now. And this is the achal part again. This is the front part. This is the kuchi part. Now, if you want to take the sari cost is 7450. If you want to book it for the Tasar Utsav, then it will be 7,000. So much discount. Okay. I'm showing 2-3 blouse for it. I'm just planning the blouse for it. This one. You can get other blouses also if you need the purple color blouse or dark blouse, black, in any black embroidery blouse. Everything is there. This is a cotton, it has no lining. So I want to show you, it has no lining. The Didi who want to wear it, lining without lining blouse can take this one. This is the same shade. This is the exactly same shade of the flower as the flower is. Hi. This is the sari and blouse. Okay. The blouse is only 390 rupees. The sari is, if for now it is 7450. If you want to take for Tasar Utsav, that is 7,000. So choice is yours. Choice is yours. I will keep it. No problem. Another Tasar. I am showing another Tasar. Everyone wants to see the Tasar sari. Whatever, I kept something for you. This is the pendant for this Tasar sari. For this Tasar sari, it looks nice with this Tasar sari. I just forgot. This is the sari and this is the pendant. If you want to take the sari, it will look nice with this pendant. This is the sari, this is the matching pendant. It looks nice with the sari. Very decorative, nice looking pendant. The pendant cost is 550 rupees only. 550 rupees only. Another Tasar sari, I am showing you the another Tasar sari. This is of course Gachi Tasar and some designer piece. This is a designer piece. The traditional, I show you two traditional printed Tasar. This is a designer piece I am showing. This is the, of course, this is Gachi Tasar and you will get the silk mark card with it. This is also 7450. Look, the Tasar is actually I love the base color of Tasar. That's why I want to keep it. This is the sari, front part of the sari, black and red. Black and red is the front part. In front part, black and red. This is the printed part of the. ये भी ब्लॉक प्रिंट है, बीच में जो चिनार लिप्स है, चिनार लिप्स का एक ब्लॉक प्रिंटेड. दिस इज द फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ द साड़ी. Looks nice, black and Tasar and red. It's a nice combination. But Aanchal or Pallu has the vibrant color also, and the green one. This is the green one in the pallu. I am showing the sari in details. This is the front part. In kuchi part, the green will come again. In the kuchi part, the green will come. And the attached blouse piece also green in color. Attached blouse piece also green in color. This is a designer sari. If you want colorful tassel, then it is a combination of colorful and elegant. This is the blouse part, attached blouse. So, this is the whole look of the sari. This is the whole look of the sari. Complete look. देखिए, this is the complete look of the sari. So nice. Beautiful one, no? And very comfortable to wear in the winter days. This is the whole sari. I am suggesting 1-2 blouses for it. You can have the kalamkari blouse or the Ajrak blouse with it. And this is the whole look. Finally, I'll show you some blouses. Okay. So, 7450 is the price of the sari. 7450 is the price of the sari. I hope you like it. Now I am showing some silk saris also, because the tassel itself, I am just introducing our tassel itself, because in our tassel itself you will get the tassel saris and also the silk saris. Okay. Again, the color is very nice one. This is also a, this is Vishnupur Sonamukhi silk. This is Vishnupur Sonamukhi silk. This is the achal part of the sari. This is of course a 4-ply silk. This is stripe and leaf design. Stripe design है, leaf design है, इसका combination है achal part. Achal part combination of this leaf and stripe. And the front part is flame orange color. Flame orange color is the front part of the sari. Flame orange color. And the kuchi part is something different. That is the designer. That's why I am telling you. This is the black and white and black. This print. It's leafy print in the kuchi part of the sari. And this is the blouse piece attached to it. It is the blouse piece attached to it, flame orange color, and this is the overall look of the sari. ये पूरा look है साड़ी का. साड़ी का पूरा look है. So understand it. This is the middle kuchi part. This black and white print, and the this is the look of the sari. If you want to book it, you can book it. Our booking number is 9674684899, and the cost of this silk sari is 5450. 5450. This is the whole look of the sari. I am showing you again. This is the achal part, and this is the front part, yoke part of this orange with the stripe border sari. This looks smart looking, and this is the kuchi part of the sari. Okay. You can wear these. Look, if you want to wear it with a different blouse, you can wear it, and with sleeveless blouse also it looks nice, and with this pendant, with this black and white handmade. This is handmade pendant. এটা আবার এসেছে, শেষ হয়ে গিয়েছিল, যারা চেয়েছিলেন তারা একটু দেখবেন। এটা হাতে আঁকা হয় তো। This is a nice looking, no? I'm showing one blouse. If you want to wear not wear the plain color or black color blouse, you can wear this blouse with it. It is a organza material. This is an organza material. I'm showing you first. This is the back part of the blouse. Look how nice it is. If you don't want to wear the black or orange blouse, then you can, other option is white, this matching with this white blouse. The blouse I'm showing you the blouse in details. This is the blouse. This is the organza blouse. This is the organza material, is organza, fully lining, back side and the front side also. This is a princess cut is princess cut, organza blouse. The price of the blouse is 800 rupees, and the sleeves also has the lining, not like that the transparent one. Sleeves also has the lining. You can get so many type of blouses in us, with lining, without lining. Sleeves has lining, sleeves has no lining. Back has lining, black has no lining. So just tell me what you want to see and want to match. This is my suggestion. This is no compulsory of that. This is my suggestion. If you want to wear the other than the two blouses, black one or orange one, you can wear this one also. This, okay? Let me show another color of the sari. The sari is chocolate in color. This is a very rare color. This is a very rare color. Earthy color. He who likes the earth color can go for it. It has no red, as someone requested me to show her. Not the sari with no red and no black. This is Achal. This is the Achal part of the sari. This is a very different type of sari. This is the Achal part of the sari. It has 3 triangles. Firstly, it is a Sonamukhi, Vishnupuri Sonamukhi silk, and mainly discharge printing done on it. This is true. This is the white discharge, and this is the Tasar color discharge. This is the white discharge, and this is the Tasar color discharge. Looks smart on it. This is the sari. The front part of the sari. I am showing you the lower part also, because lower part is different. This is the front part of the sari. This is the front part of the sari, and in the middle of the sari has triangle. Can you see the triangle? It has a triangle in the lower part of the sari. Lower part, if I show you the lower half, then it is the lower part of the sari. It has 3 pechless and one in a triangular shape. This is the lower part, and the middle part of the other one, kuchi part, it is a big triangle. Look, I think this is clear, no? It's difficult to show, but this is the achal. Also has the large triangle, and this is the body part, and this is the kuchi part of the sari. I am showing it. I pleated it for you. This is the middle triangle of the kuchi, and this is the sari. It's very good quality, 4-ply silk, and this is all over same. The blouse piece is also brown and has the discharge border and very little buttas in the blouse piece if you want to make the blouse piece. I'm giving you the other option of the blouse if you want to. You can wear it with the tassel blouse also. Looks nice. Plain tassel blouse. All of us have done. This is the front part and the wedding. If I completely show you the shirt, this is the complete look of the sari. This is the complete look of the sari. I am suggesting this type of ajrak with this sari. This is a cotton ajrak. This is a cotton ajrak. You can wear this one. The color combination is same. The color combination is same. We have so many other options as also there in the store. Please come to my store. If you want to book it, please bring me at 96746-84899 or my own number 98308-14772 number. Okay, this is the blouse. You can, if you want to, that is white not. You can have this hakoba blouse with this plain sari. The other discharge color is like this. I'm showing. Just showing. This is the sari color and this is the blouse color if you want. If you want, this is the blouse color. Tassel color, hakoba. Another silk sarees, how much time is? Little time is there. I am showing you the another silk saree. This is we call. This is a printed one, Madhubani printed saree. Okay, I am showing a Madhubani printed saree, and this is a bead achal. This is the tradition of Madhubani painting. This is a big achal for them. This is a big achal, brown. The main color is brown. It has no red actually. And the front color is in brown one. Rusty brown. This brown is rusty brown. And it has a border, nice border, Madhubani printed border, not the painting one. If you want to get the painted Madhubani in your store, please inquire in our store. We have also. And this is the border. It would look with my shari matching also. No? This is a green. It has green and brown and. This is the sari, first look of the sari. It has a difference in the kuchi part of the sari. This is a again Madhubani painting done on the pleats. This is the pleats of the sari. This is the pleat of the sari. So this is the look of the sari. This pleat is Madhubani printed, and the achal also and the border. So this is the sari. Cost of this sari is 5450. 5450. Of course, you will get the Sigma card with the sari. You can take, if it is colorful, then you can take the hakoba. We have introduced, and I'm showing you a new hakoba blouse. This is a hakoba with embroidered hakoba blouse. Look, this is a very nice. This is the back part of the blouse. It has boat neck. And front side also. Actually, this is the blouse. This is the blouse. The left side has no embroidery. The pallu will go by this side, and the right side we have the embroidery. This is the blouse, has glass sleeves, and sleeves also in the embroidery work. It has also embroidery work. Nice one. So I'm showing how much time is this time? This little time is there. So I'm showing one shari. Someone requested me to show the other than silk and tassel. This is a Coimbatore cotton, silk finish Coimbatore cotton has it is just Coimbatore cotton sari. So that they are disturbing us. This is the front look of the sari. There's a very small work is there. Handwork, all are handwork. Look, this is all our handwork. He who likes the simple sari can choose this one, and it has a printed. It looks nice with the printed blouse, and this is the sari. This is the whole look of the sari. This is the whole look of the sari. I'm suggesting a blouse for it. It is a batik, hand batik with lining. Hand batik with lining. Hand batik with lining. So, if you want to continue the show, give me 2 minutes. I am coming with some little blouses. Just coming. The more blouses I want to show you. The blouse I wear. The kantha blouse, the kantha kalamkari kantha blouse. I am giving you the other option of the kalamkari kantha blouses. You can take the one blouse at a time, no problem. By payment mode is by COD or by bank transfer. Okay, I am giving you some options. It looks nice with the silk sarees. Because of many of us have the silk blouses, but not fitted with us now. So you can change your blouse to a kalamkari blouse. It's easy to wear. This is color is green, blue, and red. Color is green, blue, and red. Base color is green, on green, red, and blue. The same blouse, the shape of the blouse is same, which I am wearing. And this is the front part. It's a boat neck with red border and the glass sleeves. You can wear so many sarees, so many things. You can also wear the lehengas also with it. Another option of the blouses, it's all are 950 rupees. 950 rupees. This is the another option of the blouse. This is also the color of this one is mehndi green type, earthy color. Green, red, and yellow with sequence kantha is there. This is also 950 rupees. So the last one today I want to show you. The last one is yellow color. This is the rare color. Actually kalamkari, in this kalamkari type I have to find so many colors for you. The color option is, this is yellow. Look, this is yellow in color. This is yellow, brown, and little, very little. The thread is yellow, orange. The thread is orange. Very little kantha. Actually, it highlighted the block. Now I am planning to show you some our handmade jewelry because এটা আবার এসেছে, আবার হয়ে এসেছে। এগুলো তাসারের সাথে পরলেও খুব ভালো লাগে। ওই রেড তাসারটা আমি দেখাচ্ছিলাম, ওটার সাথে এটা খুব ভালো যাবে। আমি একটু পরে দেখাচ্ছি ওটাকেও, তখন ওটা খুঁজে পাচ্ছিলাম না। Just a minute. This is the red tassa sari. I am suggesting to wear this one with it. How looks nice. Now, of course, you wear that time you wear the red or tassa blouse. If you wear this type of necklace, then your blouse will be tassa or red. Any single color blouse. सिंगल कलर ब्लाउज के साथ ऐसा पहने ना बहुत सुंदर लगेगा देखने में, बहुत ही सुंदर है देखने में। আবার আবার হয়ে এসেছে বলে একটু দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি কয়েকটা। আচ্ছা, এই চোকারটা কেউ একটু চেয়েছিলেন আমার কাছে, সেই সময়টা দিতে পারিনি। এই চোকারটাও এখন অ্যাভেলেবেল হয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, এই চোকারটাও খুব ভালো লাগে। এগুলো একটু না একটু সিল্কের শাড়ির সাথে উইন্টারে পরলে দারুণ লাগবে দেখতে। এক রঙের এই চোকারটাও এসেছে, আমি বলেছিলাম হয়ে আসবে। ইট উইল কাম এগেন। If you want to book, you can book our handmade jewelry separately. And if you want the plain choker, not that colorful one, you can wear this one. It's not possible to wear everyone. That's why I'm showing you in this way. We can wear this choker. This type of sarees it looks nice with this simple choker. So, how to show it? This is the choker. This is the choker. Looks nice. It looks nice. Winter days wear everything. Whatever you can. It's because in summer days we can't wear this type of heavy one. It is a favorite one. It came. So I'm showing you the wear. Look. This simple blouse, printed blouse, tassa sari, and a heavy necklace. How does it look nice? So, friends, today I'm ending my live session. Please come again. Tomorrow I will not come. Okay? Tomorrow I have to go somewhere else. If possible, I will make my live show from there. Okay? If possible. অবশ্যই কাজে যাব, ইচ্ছে আছে সেখান থেকে হয় ওয়ার্কশপে, আমি একটু ওয়ার্কশপে যাব। ওয়ার্কশপ থেকে যদি পসিবল হয় আমাদের যে সমস্ত ভাইরা কাজ করেন আমাদের সাথে তাদেরকে নিয়ে আমি একটা লাইভ করার চেষ্টা করবো। আই ডোন্ট নো যে ওখানে ঠিক মতো কানেকশনগুলো হবে কিনা, যদি পসিবল হয় অবশ্যই করবো। ওদের সাথে থাকতে আমার ভীষণ ভালো লাগে, আশা করি আপনাদেরও খুব ভালো লাগবে। দেখুন আজকে সাজটা, এটা কমপ্লিট সাজ হয়েছে একটা। এরকম সাজুন, আমাদের সাথে থাকুন, এথনিক বিউটি অফ ইন্ডিয়াকে প্রকাশ করুন। আজকের মতো আসি, নমস্কার।